How to replace the pump diaphragm on a Whale Gusher Urchin manual water pump when attached to the greenhouse bench. You will need a pair of long-nosed pliers, a large flat blade screwdriver, a medium flat blade screwdriver, a 10mm nut runner and the pump repair kit. The first thing you need to do is loosen the Jubilee clips which hold the inlet and outlet pipes onto the body of the pump. Once loosened, move the Jubilee clips to the side. Doing this will give you a little more space when it comes to removing the blue clamping ring. Remove the screw and square nut that holds the blue clamping ring together using a large flat blade screwdriver. When the screw and square nut have been removed, gently ease the clamping ring off the pump body one side at a time. This will take a little patience. With a medium flat blade screwdriver, prise the diaphragm off the body of the pump. To do this, work the screwdriver between the diaphragm and the pump body. You will now have separated the diaphragm, blue clamping ring and pump handle from the pump body. The next step is to release the blue clamping ring from the diaphragm. To do this, you need to remove the small circlip from the central pin. Use a small flat blade screwdriver and gently twist the circlip until it comes off. Now you can remove the pin to release the diaphragm from the handle. Put the blue clamping ring to one side until you are ready to reattach it. Remove the inner and outer clamping plates from the diaphragm using a flat blade screwdriver and a 10mm spanner. Open up the new diaphragm. There will be a spare circlip taped to the diaphragm, but you are unlikely to need these unless you have lost the originals. Before you start the reassembly, it is important to turn the new diaphragm inside out. You will see that this now replicates the old one. Put the external clamping ring on the outer side and insert the screw. Place the internal clamping ring on the inside with the ridges facing out. Using the 10mm nut runner and the flat blade screwdriver, reattach the clamps either side of the new diaphragm. Insert the handle fixing pin through the outer clamping ring and refit the circlip. There is a groove on the end of the pin where the circlip sits. Use the long nose pliers to clip into place. You are now in a position to reattach the diaphragm to the pump body. You will see there is a lip on the diaphragm. This sits in the groove on the pump body. Start at the front of the pump and push the diaphragm edge into the groove using your thumbs to work the diaphragm into the groove all the way around. To reattach the blue clamping ring, start at the back of the pump and gently prise the clamping ring apart until it reseats itself on the pump body. When you are happy with the fit, tighten the screw and square nut. It is important to tighten the screw fully to get the proper seal. Finally, push your Jubilee clips back into place and tighten them up.